Welcome to All Roy Modern Home. In this video, we present an exclusive collection of new modern luxury soft bedroom ideas designed to transform your sleeping space into a serene, elegant retreat. Whether you're building a new home, renovating your bedroom, or simply looking for fresh inspiration, this video is packed with dreamy decor concepts and high-end styling tips that blend comfort with sophistication. Modern luxury isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a peaceful ambience, where every element, from lighting to texture, contributes to a calming and stylish atmosphere. We showcase bedrooms that feature plush bedding, soft neutral palettes, layered textures, and elegant furniture that create a warm, welcoming vibe. You'll discover how subtle design elements like upholstered headboards, ambient lighting, and premium materials like velvet, linen, and natural wood can redefine the look and feel of your bedroom. Minimalist design meets cozy elegance in every frame, making these bedrooms ideal for those who love contemporary style with a touch of softness. From soft beige tones and pastel hues to dramatic contrast with gold and marble accents, each idea is carefully curated to spark your imagination and help you create a space that truly reflects modern comfort and luxury. We also explore smart space planning, perfect for both large master bedrooms and smaller cozy rooms. Whether it's a floating knit stand, hidden storage solutions, or integrated lighting systems, every feature is chosen to enhance functionality without compromising on beauty. The designs strike a balance between clean modern lines and the plush, tactile appeal of luxury interiors. You'll also see how thoughtful accessorizing like textured throws, statement wall art, and elegant curtains can complete the look effortlessly. At All Roy Modern Home, we believe your bedroom should be more than just a place to sleep. It should be a personal sanctuary that uplifts you every day. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this inspiring journey through some of the most stunning, modern luxury soft bedroom designs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more elegant home decor ideas. And turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's make your dream bedroom a reality, one soft luxury detail at a time.